Welcome back to Becky Cooks. So today we are going to be making a simple coleslaw for your jollof rice, for your fried rice, and you can even have it as it is with a protein of your choice or with anything basically that you can enjoy it with. So first of all, I'm going to peel my carrots and prep all the vegetables. This peeler just makes everything easy. You don't have to stress yourself and scrape with knife or scrape with. This is just so easy and eradicates any form of dirt or any particles that will be hidden within the skin of the carrots, because it's a root crop, a root vegetable rather, so there's every probability of having sand in it. So we want to eliminate the possibility of biting any sand at all, because that experience is awful. So you do the same for the cucumbers. You peel off the skin just for you to have a nice white color, not for any other reason. Just you can eat the skin is actually fine. So you rinse this thoroughly, add salt in your water and rinse it very well. So if you are seeing this video for the first time, please click the subscribe button and put on the notification bell so that whenever I post new videos, you'll be the first to know. And we have our cabbage. This is purple cabbage, and just for color contrast basically. So this is all the vegetables already prepped, and now we are going to be using this part of the grater to grate the carrots, not this one. This one is going to be too big. You want to use this smaller size. So within minutes you are done with your coleslaw, because I'm someone that don't like slicing at all. I hate slicing. So but if you like slicing, you can actually go ahead and slice your, especially the cabbage, because definitely I know that you have to use your grater to do this carrot. But I don't like slicing, and I'm going to show you how I did my cabbage and how I usually do it. Or sometimes I do it this way when there is no light, and when there's light I usually use my food processor. So this is the part of the grater I'm using. So you want to push it out so that it will be very easy for you to work with, and then you use it to slice your cabbage, and it comes out very perfect. So for the dressing, I'm adding bama and a little bit of this Hollandia evap, which just makes the whole thing very creamy, very lush, very nice, very delicious, very yummy. So I added a little bit of lemon juice just to balance up all the flavors together, the taste. So if you like, you can add sugar, but I didn't want to add sugar. I want it plain like this. Pour it in and mix, 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 and your coleslaw is ready. So easy. You can skip the milk if you want. You can just use the bama like that. That is the mayonnaise, or you can use any dressing of your choice. So this is what we have, and it looks so lush and delicious. Are you going to give this a try? Let me know in the comment section, and thank you all so much for watching. Today's day 15 of our vlogmas, and we have 10 days to Christmas. See you all tomorrow. Bye.